Esmac PR, an instant all-weather road repairing compound having a shelf life of minimum 10 months, has proved to be a life cycle cost economic solution for all road engineers over the decade. Brush away loose debris, oil or standing water from the hole. Open the 50 kg pack, tear the plastic inner and pour Esmac PR. Slightly overfill by 2 to 4 millimeters. Compaction with rammer. Immediately allow for traffic. Esmac PR advantage: no cutting out, no tack coats, no waste, no mixing, no rollering, no pollution, no heating, no special skills, no traffic disruption, no further repair. Esmac PR application areas: potholes, depressions, bridge expansion joints, playgrounds, utility cuts, cracks, industrial areas, car parks, driveways, residential complexes, etc. We are confident Esmac PR will help in furthering your efforts to improve the maintenance of the road network